Effects and adjustments are accessible above the viewer. To apply an effect, select the clip in the timeline. Select an effect. Then adjust the options that may appear below it. Available effects depend on the type of clip that's selected. A video clip will be used in the following example. Starting from the far left, Auto Enhance will attempt to automatically improve the video and audio quality of the clip. We recommend using this with caution as it may not apply correctly. Visual clips that are stacked on top of other clips in the timeline will have the Video Overlay Settings adjustment available. This adjustment can be used to customize the way clips are shown together, such as to create a superimposition or split screen. Color balance can be used to adjust the white balance. Color correction is for changing the brightness, color intensity, and tones. Use the crop adjustment to cut out unwanted portions of the frame. The Ken Burns effect, which adds a zoom and movement, can be adjusted here. This effect may be applied to photos by default when they're placed in the timeline. Stabilization can be applied to fix footage that is slightly shaky. However, it can't fix really shaky video and may cause distortion, so use it with caution. If the selected clip has audio, the volume adjustment can be used to increase or decrease the level. The noise reduction and equalizer adjustment can be used to fix background noise, but be aware that it's limited in how much it can do and may cause distortion. Use the speed adjustment to speed up, slow down, or reverse video and audio clips. Clip filter and audio effects can be used to change the look or timbre of clips. Common clip filters include flipped and black and white. To undo an effect, click the Reset button to the far right. To undo all of the applied effects, click Reset All. Lastly, clip information will display details about the clip, including the name, recording date, and duration. More information about iMovie can be found in our other videos, or by visiting the PLU Knowledge Base. If you need assistance, please feel free to reach out to Instructional Technologies.